Alright, here you go, Roger. Got your PT Cruiser problem figured out here. Your problem is that belt broke. And I'll show you right where she broke at. Let's come down here. Look at there. She snapped a dude. So, I got you. I tell you what, the timing belt replacement's cheap. It's getting that little beggar off. Dude, that was something to get off. And this motor mount. Those two items right there is what they charge for. They don't charge for nothing else other than that and that. This is kind of like freebie. I got you any water pump. Gaskets and seals. There's the why we're all here today is a broken timing belt. We'll get you a new tensioner. Let's make it 2 tensioners. There's a Mr. Water Pump's gasket. Alright. So there you go. That's what happened. Down there, that is your water pump. So see, it runs off the timing belt. That's why I wanted to replace it. We're doing that.